Hi, I'm K with cameraman Gina and welcome to Ask Dr. K. Now, today's problem that we are going to tackle is about space management with your veggie garden. Now, many people they ask me that I got a small backyard and I can't grow my peppers and my cucumbers. But I tell them, hey, look at me. Look, this is how we do. Now, thanks to me spending a lot of years in Mumbai, where space management is never a problem, where on a seat of 3 people, you can squeeze in 5 or 6. We can easily squeeze in our peppers with our cucumbers. Now, this is what I have done. So have a look. In the front, I got my peppers, my chilies. The season has just started, but check out the growth. It's amazing. Check out here. These are all my fire peppers out here. And as you see behind my peppers, what I've done is I've grown my cucumbers. And have a look. I got cucumbers growing everywhere. They are all over the place. Have a look at these. Oh my God. And this is just the start of the season. I got my cucumbers here. And have a look here. They are growing everywhere. They find their place. They creep all over. Whatever they can find, they can just creep over it. They can even grow down your lawn. So yeah, it saves you the lawn mowing. If you want, they can simply grow through your lawn. Now you see, there's a baby cucumber growing here, which will be ready in a few weeks. Ooh, some more here. A slightly bigger baby out here. Yeah, so space management should not be an issue. It's all about the will and being innovating and finding a way to do it. Here you go. There are my cucumbers. This is the summer of cucumber. I have so many cucumbers now with my peppers. Now I'll show you what else I've done. I'll show you. Follow me. Who says you can't grow cucumber in pots? Yes, you can. Have a look here. These are my telegraphic cucumbers growing in pots. They're just 3 weeks old. These are like, they as if they are on steroids. They grow like they are, yeah, on some protein shakes, some steroids. They grow so fast. And my plan is to get them onto the lawn. And there they go. And I'll make another video in 3 weeks. And you'll see them crawling all over the lawn to my lemon tree. And I got some more peppers out here, but I'll make a separate video on peppers later. And thank you to cameraman Gina, camera woman Gina, along with me, Kay. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching. See ya.